We are
H B A E
Hvac Group. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to our review of vehicle Hvac system, which will focus on safety, health, and their connection to ESG, environmental, social, and governance. The environmental aspect is critical. Many Hvac systems rely on refrigerants, which can contribute to global warming if not managed properly. Modern systems use alternatives like R1234YF, which have a much lower global warming potential than older refrigerants like R134A. On the social front, Hvac systems directly impact our health and comfort. Poorly maintained systems can lead to bad air quality, potentially causing respiratory issues. This is especially concerning for children and the elderly. Finally, governance ensures manufacturers comply with strict environmental laws and safety standards. This regulation drives innovation like development of eco-friendly refrigerant and energy-efficient systems. Let's now explore some real-world challenges and how automotive technology is solving them. Over to you, Ijat.
Oh, hi guys. Thanks to Awin. Okay, one major of ESG related problem is the environmental impacts of refrigerants used in HVAC system. Older refrigerants like R134A have a high global warming potential, significantly contributing to climate change when leaked. So, leak can occur due to poor maintenance or wear and tear in the system. This leak not to harm the environment but also reduce the system efficiency, leading to higher energy consumption. Additionally, these refrigerants are chemically reactive and can deplete the ozone layer if mishandled during servicing or disposal. This highlights the importance of using modern refrigerant and following the proper servicing protocol. Now, let's move to the Anwar, who will discuss another pressing issue related to HVAC system.
Hi guys. Thanks Ijat. Another critical issue is air quality inside the vehicle. Poorly maintained hatchback system can accumulate dust, pollen and mold within the filter and vent. This can lead to unhealthy air circulation in the cabin, causing the respiratory problem, especially for those with allergy and asthma. Inadequate air filtration can also allow harmful pollen like carbon monoxide from outside to enter the cabin. This problem often arises due to neglect regular maintenance, such as cleaning or replacing cabin air filter. It's a reminder that HVAC system need more than just cooling. They play a vital role in our healthy and safety. Now, let's hear from Jules about solution to this challenge.
Thanks to Anwar. To tackle the refrigerant issue, many manufacturers are now using R1234YF, an eco-friendly refrigerant with a much lower global warming potential. This innovation significantly reduces the environmental footprint of HVAC system. Additionally, modern HVAC systems are designed to minimize refrigerant leaks with improved sealing and advanced materials. Regular servicing and proper handling during maintenance are also essential to prevent accidental emission. Beyond this, governments and manufacturers are collaborating on recovery and recycling programs of refrigerants, ensuring safe disposal and reuse. Next, Kimi will share another amazing solution that directly improves air quality inside the car.
Thanks to Jules, to address air quality concerns, modern vehicles now come with advanced filtration system. High efficiency particulate air HEPA filter can trap microscopic particles including allergens and pollutants, ensuring cleaner air inside the cabin. Some cars even include ionization technology or activated carbon filter to neutralize odors and harmful gases. These features make a significant difference, especially for those driving in urban or polluted areas. Additionally, newer hatchback systems are equipped with air quality sensors automatically adjust airflow or recirculation settings based on external conditions. This ensures that passengers breathe clean and safe air throughout their journey. And that's wrap on our hatchback review. Awin, back for you to the conclusion.
Thank you, team, and thank you for watching. We have seen how ESG principles influence automotive hatchback system, the challenge they face, and the innovative solution that improve both safety and sustainability. Remember, maintaining your car hatchback system is not just about comfort, it's about protecting your health and the environment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews. Until next time.
Now let's hear from yeah.
Apa-apa aku kena buat ni? Terus baca kah? Aku tengok ni. Pura. Terus start ke tak?
Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Stop apa? Terus.
And following proper service dia. Dah sangat ah. Thank you.